foot down.
This is how I do my dental every day.
It's called the belly slide.
The belly slide.
All right. I've had this house for over 6 years, and little girl's 5.5 almost.
No, 5. That's 5.
Just 5? Okay. So maybe I had it for 7 years. Anyways, the carpet on the steps, that took some beating. So we're going to take the carpet off and see what's below it.
Yes.
All right, show me the spot you already found.
I found it right here.
Okay. Be careful now. There's nails and stuff. All right. I don't want you to cut yourself.
Look.
Let's see what we got.
This side.
Some padding. All right. So we're going to get some tools and we're going to get all this up.
Oh!
See, it's wood. We'll get it down. We'll sand it down. We'll have some wood steps.
We'll do it different.
Yeah, you see the nails right there, though? Yeah, so you gotta be careful, okay?
You need to take those out.
It's okay, Daddy. I'll help you do it, okay? Okay? So we're gonna tear it all up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I help you with that?
Sure. Got it right there? Pull? You want to do the padding?
Yeah.
Go ahead, get the padding here.
I need to careful with the knives.
Here you go. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. There you go. Put it in the pile. Now we have to wash our hands when we're done, huh?
Yeah. That's dirty. My hair. It's in my hair. What?
Are you dirty?
Huh?
Are you dirty?
Hey, that's my tool.
Oh, well, hand me my tool.
Silly belly.
My bad. Let's take a little mid-stop here and show people what we're doing.
We got the final thing. We got a lot of things to do.
Got a couple steps to go, don't we?
Yeah.
Throw it downstairs. Whee! So that's all the padding and the carpet gone.
Now we're taking off this.
What is that called?
That's called
It's called tack strips.
tack
Tack?
strips.
Very good, tack strips.
But
All right.
We're taking
And
off this.
yeah, we gotta sand that down with a sander.
Yeah,
Okay.
but first we're doing this. Now.
Yeah, now be careful. Those are the ones with the nails in it, remember? So Daddy will help you, okay?
I'm taking off this one. You're taking off the nails.
Okay. Are you gonna hold the camera?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we'll show them how to take up this stuff. Look.
Is it not? Say something. No.
Something.
Say something.
Something.
No, say something.
Is it even hitting me? Can you see me?
It's loud.
It's loud. Is it heavy?
No.
Ooh, you're just strong, huh? You're just making noise?
I'm trying to just take it off with this.
Okay. All right. Well, be careful, okay? It's not a toy. Okay? Construction's fun, but it's not a toy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I said hi.
Stop, say hi. All right, so I'm gonna have to sand down all the steps. This is the painting. This is the wear marks from before they put the carpet down. So I'm gonna sand it all down, all the way up, all the way back down. Got my sander. It's very dusty, so got all my bedroom doors shut. Trying to keep some of those dust out of my nose and out of my mouth. And here we go. Alright, so I've been having a little issue with the corners. As you can see, very built up in there. So I asked around a few of my buddies and they said, get some of this stuff, Easy Strip. You just spray it in the corners like so. and then you let it sit and come back at it with a wire brush. That's not my toothbrush. That's just me been at it for a while. But I thought I'd show y'all that's the best way to get the corners. It actually strips the paint, breaks it down, and you can just scrape it right off. As you can see, I've been already going. So just thought I'd show y'all a cool trick. All right, they are all sanded down, as you can tell. So now I'm going to use some stain. I just went with the natural stain. All right, nothing special. In reality, you get yourself a little bit on here, like so, and just make sure you go with the grains. That's it. It will dry darker than the normal, but lighter than what it looks like while it's wet. So I'll show y'all when I'm done. Okay, whoops. I'm halfway done. As you can tell, the bottoms are not done, the tops are done, but I left my lights on up there and my radio. How am I gonna get to them? I have to wait 8 hours before I can walk on it. All right, y'all, so here they go. Here's my steps. They are done. I have the downstairs and the upstairs windows and doors open just to make it as bright as possible in here so you can see what it looks like. I used a natural stain, like I was saying before. I did the handrail and the side rail to match it. I'm very happy with it. So, me and little girl, we wanted to start something fun. I couldn't let her do the whole thing. There's certain things she doesn't need to smell the smell of that stain. It was very, very strong. In the middle of the night, it actually woke me up how strong it was. So I had to open up the windows, turn on a fan and blow it towards the steps and get the air out the house. So I did it, when I didn't have her, but it was very strong. So be careful when you're sanding everything down. Wear a mask. That dust and stuff is everywhere. I had to shop vac it up, sweep it up every time. It took me 2 or 3 different times to sand it all up. So I hope y'all enjoyed it. It was fun. I just want to show you what it looked like. Hope y'all subscribe, like, share. You know how it goes. I appreciate everything, y'all.